Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate you. Please do not make it your last by hitting the subscribe button, because you're actually going to learn a lot of things on this channel about skincare, beauty, and all of that. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. And today I'm going to be giving you a product review of this soap that I've actually used, and I just felt I should come and drop my own review, my own honest, unfiltered review, because on this channel we only give honest reviews on this channel. So the soap we're going to be talking about today is the K Brothers baby face soap. We're going to be talking about the K Brothers baby face soap, the one that contains turmeric. And this is actually what it looks like. This is the K Brothers baby face soap. This is an anti-acne, this is an anti-acne soap, which is very nice on the skin. This is something that is a treatment soap, guys. A lot of people do not know that this is a treatment soap. They use this every day on their skin, and this is not actually supposed to be. This is a treatment soap, an acne treatment soap, which is very nice. This is actually what it looks like inside. I've actually cut this. I'm using half of it now, and this is actually the one that I have remaining. This soap contains turmeric, which is very good. And turmeric is very good when it comes to anti-aging, brightening up your skin, and all that. This soap also contains salicylic acid, which is very good when it comes to fighting acne, blackheads and whiteheads, and all of that. This is actually very good if you're someone that you have active acne breakouts. If you are breaking out, because I'm actually breaking out, as you can see, I'm breaking out on my face and everything, and I've been using this soap to actually treat my acne. One thing I noticed about this soap is that this soap actually dries out your acne, guys. This soap is going to dry out every acne on your skin. You're going to feel like your face is just like it's just drying out all the acne on your skin. And this soap can actually be very drying. It will make your skin dry. If you have dry skin, please use this soap with caution, because it will make your skin dry. This soap is very drying. So if you're using this soap, please moisturize your skin, because this is going to leave your skin very dry. And this soap actually stings. If you use this soap on your face, you're going to notice that your face is stinging. It stings your face. It's actually very like hot on your face. So this is not something I would advise you to leave on your face if you have sensitive skin, because it will actually burn your skin. If you have sensitive skin, please just apply it to your hand, lather it, and then apply it to your face and wash it off immediately. Do not let this soap sit on your skin if you're someone with sensitive skin. But if you have normal skin and your skin is not sensitive, you can actually let this sit for at least maybe a minute, and you actually wash it off from your skin. Do not let this soap sit on your skin if you are someone with sensitive skin, because it's going to burn you. The first time I tried it, and I actually just used it like this is actually how I used it the first time. I just wet the soap, and I actually went in directly to my face, and it was hot, guys. It felt like my face was actually burning. So I would advise, if you're someone with a sensitive skin, because I have sensitive skin, so I just apply it to my hand, and then I wash, rub it on my face, and then I wash it off. This is something that will dry out your acne. It really dries out your acne. But the only concern I have about this soap is how drying it can actually be on your face, because your face will end up being very dry. Whenever I'm using this soap at night, I always make sure I moisturize my skin properly, because I don't want my skin to be too dry and all that. Because if you're someone with oily skin and you're using things that actually make your skin more dry, you will end up producing more oil, and you end up having even more acne. You see how that works? If you're drying out your skin too much, your skin will start producing more oil, and then you actually have more pimples. So if you're using something that dries out your skin, like a soap or any of that, or a cleanser or whatever, make sure you actually moisturize very well, so your skin doesn't overproduce oil to compensate for the oil that you're removing, or the stripping of oil that you're actually doing to the skin, and then you will actually have more pimples. If you're using this soap, please make sure you moisturize very well. This is actually very effective. It actually works for the treatment of pimples and acne and blackheads and whiteheads and all that. This is very nice. I would actually recommend you get this, because it's actually very affordable. This one I got, you can see it is actually written here 1,500 naira. I don't know if you can see it. It is 1,500 naira, and it contains turmeric. This contains turmeric, salicylic acid, vitamin E, turmeric. It contains niacinamide, glycerin, and collagen. And collagen is very, very good when it comes to making your skin plump. It helps to, keep your skin looking young and, radiant, and just giving your skin that very full look. So this is a very, very nice soap that you can actually use, a very, very nice treatment soap. If you use this soap, please use it at night. I will not advise you to, use this soap during the day, because it actually can actually make your face sensitive. So I would just advise you use this soap during the night, because you're not going out in the sun, you're not exposing yourself to, sun rays and all that. So overall, this is actually something that is worth the price. It's actually very, very cheap. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and please, 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 please subscribe to this channel, and also share this to your friends if you know anybody that will actually need this content. And also drop your comment down in the comment section below if you have any questions concerning this soap, if it's something that you want to try out, if you have any concerns, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.